What happens when you draft a player so good? Your offense and defense literally fight over him. That's exactly what's going down in Jacksonville. And the name at the center of it all? Travis Hunter. Hey football fans, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the hype storm surrounding Travis Hunter, the Jaguars' jaw-dropping #2 overall pick. This guy's not just a game changer, he might redefine how the NFL uses its stars. Let's break down why. The Jaguars wanted Hunter so badly, they traded up, giving away the 5th and 36th picks this year and their 2026 first-rounder. That's no small price. But when you've got a guy who's worthy of a first-round pick on both sides of the ball, you do what you've got to do. He's deserving of a first-round pick as a WR and as a corner. According to one college coach, there's already in-house competition between Jacksonville's offensive and defensive staff to see who gets to use Hunter. That's how rare this talent is. Head coach Coen made it clear. Hunter starts on offense, but don't count out the defense just yet. Bleacher Report's Corey Giddings compared Hunter to Patrick Peterson. That's 8 Pro Bowls of potential, just sitting on the sideline if he's not playing corner. If the Jags start getting torched through the air, it won't be long before the calls come in. Put Hunter in at corner. Sure, all eyes are on Trevor Lawrence and his growth under Coen, but the real drama this offseason? It's going to be watching how Travis Hunter splits his reps. Is he a WR1, a shutdown corner, or maybe both? The NFL hasn't seen a true two-way star in decades, but that might be about to change. So what do you think? Should Travis Hunter play both ways? Or should the Jags commit to one side of the ball? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a moment of the madness.